Sheikh Mohammed Bin Rashid Networth evolution from 1949 to 2025. 1 years old, $0. 2 years old, $0. 3 years old, $0. 5 years old, $0. 6 years old, $0. 7 years old, $0. 8 years old, $0. 9 years old, $0. 11 years old, $0. 12 years old, $0. 15 years old, $0. 16 years old, $0. 19 years old, $12K. 21 years old, $23K. 22 years old, $40K. 24 years old, $63K. 25 years old, $70K. 27 years old, $110K. 28 years old, $160K. 30 years old, $180K. 33 years old, $250K. 36 years old, $330K. 38 years old, $400K. 40 years old, $537K. 43 years old, $610K. 44 years old, $650K. 46 years old, $723K. 51 years old, $880K. 56 years old, $1.2 billion. 62 years old, $3 billion. 66 years old, $7 billion. 70 years old, $13 billion. 75 years old, $18 billion. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel Unique Data World.